Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today we are going to make Madeleines. Madeleines are small shell-shaped tea cakes from France. They have a crispy top with a shell pattern and a little bump at the bottom. My friend Emily, who recently moved to France, she is the one who introduced me to Madeleines. Today we're going to make her recipe. While most recipes require us beating the eggs till they're thick and ribbony, hers doesn't. Her recipe is quick, easy and does not require any equipments. Thank you, Emily, for sharing this recipe with us. I would like to dedicate this episode to you, Alice and Leah. We miss you guys so much. So, let's make some Madeleines. In a bowl, take 250 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 125 grams of melted butter, 50 grams of milk, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of orange zest, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 packet of French yeast. If you don't have French yeast, you can add 2 teaspoons of baking powder instead. Mix until the ingredients are well combined. The mixture is going to be thick like cookie dough, so do not panic. Once the batter is well combined, refrigerate it for minimum of 2 hours to overnight. The longer you refrigerate it, the better it will be. This batter can stay in your fridge up to 5 days in an airtight container. We are going to bake the Madeleines in this pan. This is what gives it that classic shape. Butter the pan well. Make sure to get the butter in every crevice. Pour 1 tablespoon of batter into each mold. Bake this in an oven for 8 minutes. That is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Carefully demold the Madeleines. The sign of a good Madeleine is its golden brown top and the hump on the bottom, with fine moist crumbs when you break into it. And enjoy them with a warm cup of tea. This delicious cake is going to be a hit with your family. Dip it in chocolate and a box of it makes a wonderful gift too. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos from us. Until next time, happy cooking.